Hello, I'm Phạm Thị Thanh Huệ, student of Bình Dương Medical College. Today I would like to speak about the topic, English in our daily life. English has an important role in our daily life. Therefore, building a strong learning English community is an on-time objective that every education system is pursuing. This trend is becoming so fashionable. Why? Let's discover. English is a universal language, so it becomes our needs, especially to those who want to go abroad or to get a good job. Knowing English is an advantage. Since we are living in a changing world, we can't ignore English if we don't want to be behind the times. Nowadays, science and technology are highly developed. They bring out the requirement of knowing English for those who want to update learning resources from all over the world. The more we know English, the easier we can approach other cultures, because it is a bridge which connects the communities, societies, and businesses relationships. For young people who want to enjoy entertainment should know English, for many of the world's top movies, books, and music are published and produced in English. It will be a distraction to rely on subtitles or translations. Generally, we can say that English is known by many Vietnamese. It is being taught in most of our schools. In fact, there are many students who are good in learning English grammar. However, English conversation, speaking, and listening skills are still the difficulties and limitations of many students and young professionals, because the environment doesn't satisfy their needs of using English. Here are some practical suggestions of feasible methods that Vietnam can apply to establish a comprehensive English learning environment. At school, the students should be given time to practice English among themselves through conversations and creativities. For example, dramatization, playing games, singing, dancing, and watching in English. Those activities will help attract them and motivate them and help them to learn English better.
But not that old, young, but not that bold. I don't think the world is so. I should do with what we told.
At home, the students' strong support is their family. Besides those activities mentioned above, parents can encourage them learning English by sending them to English centers or English clubs, where they can improve and exchange their English with other people, especially with the foreigners. The environment is important, but the way of each student is not less important. With the way of learning, each one can have his own way of improving English, like to be a volunteer guide for the foreign tourists, volunteer English teachers for poor children, to participate in English conferences, English contests, etc. In today's world, young people are moved with eagerness to learn and discover new things. Still, they can be discouraged and they give up easily when they encounter difficulties, especially what is related to English. Learning English is very interesting and is very useful, but to practice it well is not easy. It requires the student to be determined and diligent to learn it constantly and frequently. Learning English is just like playing a sport. The more practice, the higher level we can get. For this reason, a heartfelt thanksgiving to the organizers for giving students the chance to enhance and to practice their knowledge in English by this kind of activity. May this activity will be successful and there will be more students who will be attracted and motivated to participate in the future.